Okay, so hey everyone. So yes, I'm going to be doing another video, another Let's Eats video. Don't worry, I actually have some more vlogs coming up very soon. I have to edit and do all these stuff, so I definitely have some like vlogs coming up very soon. But today I want to actually make salmon with, I have white jasmine rice, so I'm going to use that. And I also have I have butternut squash as well, so I'm thinking of making that like sweet yams, you know, with the whole sweet yams with the whole cinnamon thing. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm thinking, okay, I don't have no, so I want to like put the lemon slices on the top. So I'm guessing it'll be called like lemon salmon or something like that. That's what I'm gonna call it. So put the whole lemon slices on top, and then with some butter and all of that. So I'll be doing that with the jasmine rice and the butternut squash with the cinnamon on top. So you guys are gonna be cooking with me today again. I hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and yes, I will have more vlogs very soon because I've been falling off hard. So I'll have that very soon. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. All right, so you know what time it is. Time for the ingredients. We got 1 lemon, butter, red pepper, black pepper, salt, butternut squash. So at this point, I'm just taking the salmon out of the packaging. Just bought it today, and I'm gonna wash it up, get ready for seasoning. Here I'm just cutting lemon slices because this is what I'm going to use after I season it to put on top of it basically. So I'm just doing that, and then as well as squeezing some lemon on top of the salmon. And then it's clearly seasoning time. You can season like however you want to. I just like a lot of seasoning. Well, I don't even know if this is considered a lot, but yeah, I kind of like my salmon seasoned. Yeah. So at this point, I'm actually deciding to bake my salmon in foil paper just because I like the way meats come out in foil. You can use baking pans, of course, but I just didn't have the right size. For rice, I'm using jasmine rice, of course. I think I use about 1 or 2 cups water and then a cup of rice, added salt, and boom, the rice is done. So now I'm gonna move over to check in my salmon. It came out really good. The foil I think makes a big difference, at least for me. So that came out pretty good, as well as the butternut squash with the cinnamon. Added a little bit of sweet to the meal. So for this next thing, like I tried this. You know how you see this, right? I don't know. I'm not a culinary student. I don't know these things. So I just decided to try like the cup thing, and it worked. So this is the final product. It came out really good. And yeah, all done.